All right. Peace and blessings to the hopeful elect. All praise, glory, and honor, thanksgiving to Yahweh, about Shema Mashiach Yahushai, it's your brother Shemai Allah. And I was just dwelling on what I just finished bringing out in the scriptures about measuring the time diligently and seeing the signs come to pass. And I wanted to link up some more precepts, man, really. Okay, this is, again, 2nd Ezra, chapter 9 and 1. He answered me then and said, measure thou the time diligently in itself. And when thou seest part of the signs pass, which I have told thee before, then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made, you see. Now, one of the signs that took place where the Most High visited the world was through his son, the Messiah. Okay? Right? I wanted to bring that out and kind of just like, go more in depth with that right there, because that's a heavy sign. That's one of the biggest signs, if not the biggest sign of all, to let us know when these last days would begin and how he would visit the earth, to visit the world which he made. All right, now let's go to Isaiah to see one of these signs, because as I brought out in the lesson, the last days began when the Messiah was born into the world. And that's how the highest visited his world, through his son. And that's one of the signs, okay? This is Isaiah chapter 7. You see where it says the sign of Emmanuel, which means in the Hebrew, God with us, right? And let's get, what verse do I want? What verse is it here? Yeah, this is I got it. This is Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14. Therefore Adonai himself shall what? Give you a sign. You see? That's how we're going to measure the time diligently. You see, it says, behold, a virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel. See, this is the sign, man. And this is the sign in which how we can measure the times diligently, man. Okay? This is a heavy sign right here, man. This ain't nothing to play with, man. Right? It says, butter and honey shall he eat, that he may know to refuse the evil and choose the good. For before the child shall know to refuse the evil and choose the good, the land that thou abhorrest shall be forsaken of both her kings. Okay? The Lord shall bring upon thee and upon thy people and upon thy father's house days that have not come, from the day that Ephraim departed from Judah, even the king of Assyria. So, the point is, in which how we measure the time diligently, like it's saying in 2nd Ezra, okay, is by seeing parts of the signs come to pass. That sign I just read, man, the coming of the Messiah, which marked the beginning of the end of days and the beginning of the end of the world of Esau, the so-called white man. And that's really what I just wanted to bring out a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Just to show you right there. That's it, That marks the beginning of the end for the so-called white man. With that, I want to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Shema Mashiach Yahushua. Peace and blessings to the hopeful elect. Shalom.